Okay, on today's video, we're going to be talking about the layout of the building and the process of squaring it. So we have three assumptions. We've already done the corner stakes. We've set up the batter boards with the string lines, and all four sides measured correctly. In this scenario, we're 30 foot by 40 foot. And conveniently, it's a 3-4-5 triangle, so our cross square is 50 foot. Make sure that you have drawings that show what the cross square should be. That way, it's just one more double check to make sure that all your measurements are correct. And if you pull a cross square and they're way off, then you know you have issues somewhere else along the line. From here, so in this scenario, we are 12 inches out. We are 50'6" one way, 49'6" the other. Might be mixed because of this stupid ass video flip-flops, but we're 12 inches out. So take the difference between the two measurements that you've made, divide it in half, and if all four sides measure the same, to maintain that 40 foot, we're going to move the 6 inches of both string lines on the one side, maintaining that 40 foot, move them both in the same direction to the short side. The short side goes out, the long side goes in to the building, and that brings your building square. This is a guess and check operation. It's not a universal 1-to-1. It is not quite 6 inches, but this gets you there the fastest without having to calculate it. Go ahead and double check your cross square and make your final adjustments. The closer you get, the smaller your error will be. So, some pro tips. Once you do this operation and you go back around and say you are square, but you find that one of the legs is out an inch, so it's 39'1" or 39 foot 11, it's out an inch, move the legs in opposite directions of each other, a ½ inch, each side, giving you an overall inch to maintain your square. Another pro tip, make sure that you only have one screw installed in the batter boards. That way, once the string lines are pulled and we're punching holes for columns, and you have to go back up with those string lines, you know exactly where the string lines go, and you aren't getting them mixed up. And the last pro tip I'm going to tell you is measure perpendicular to the string line. The batter boards are kitty corner on the corners at an angle. Measure the 6 inches perpendicular to that string, make your new mark, pull your old screw, put the new screw in, move your string line over, bam, you're done. And I guess this is your final pro tip of the day. Write down your measurements on your piece of paper, snap a picture, throw it in your daily log so that you have them and we can reflect back on them in case we have any issues later on.